Hey everybody, it's NCP. Yeah, the rag there. I've been having a little trouble losing a little air in the spa. Slow, but you know. So, this is a Coleman inflatable spa. And they tend to leak around the seals of the seams, so got my water bottle out full of soap, just regular soap and water. And pumped it all the way up. And you can see where the air is coming out slowly, but surely. So we got a patch kit here. Oops, I can't see nothing out here. I'm blind from the sunlight, but trust me, that's the patch kit. So we're gonna go ahead and patch it up. There's a lot of little leaks, a lot of different places. So we're just gonna run around the whole thing and just do the whole thing. And there's just, that's like every couple days I gotta refill the air on this thing. So we're gonna go ahead and just run it all the way around, I guess. I'll mark where these are with a pen, but yeah, so if your spa is losing air, usually it's around the these things up here. These are, hope that's in frame, but mine aren't leaking anywhere. I mean, if this isn't tight here, it'll leak right there, and that'll leak if it's not tight. But if it's tight, we're good. No, it's not leaking. We're not leaking enough. Yeah, it's not leaking. So I checked all the seals, all this stuff's good, and it's all coming from the inner liner seam. All right, so we'll get this back up and running and we'll have a good day. All right, and I got some more stuff to do in the studio, which will probably be done today. That's a nice thing, right? But we'll see. We'll see. All right, everybody, NCP, have a good one. And don't throw away your spa just because it's losing air. The inflatable spa has been really great for me for a long time. So, yep, just gotta do maintenance. It's part of the game. These things slowly last a year or coming on a year, and I can see where the seam is failing, but none of the outer seams, like none of these are failing, but that's failing there. So, yeah, you can see where it's kind of, I don't see any areas now, but it gets kind of like swollen a little bit there, and that's probably where your problems are. But all right, have a good one, Barry, and see you out.